Don't you dare, Connor. Do not stomp on me. To the water fountains we go! No, don't spray it on the freaking phone! Oh, I can't even see the water. Oh, no. Kind of, I guess. Oh, shit. Ah! It's water fun. Are you sure you want to be shown to the camera, Tyler? With Molly, the cameraman who's not the cameraman for this video.
What's up?
Oh, fuck. Tyler,
Welcome to our
do you want to be shown on the camera?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Molly, get
Doritos. Remember when we stomped on these things?
No, you.
Oh, fuck. Fudge nugget.
I'm a good boy now.
Do not. Don't.
I have a ball.
No.
Goes the weasel.
No! No!
Eat him! Eat that pussy!
No! My Doritos! I'm scavenging my Doritos. Oh, that's wetting me! No, Connor! Stop spraying water! I'm going crazy! Everyone's killing me! Everyone! Voice crack! Oh, hi, Mark! No, Connor! Okay, I'll just end the video.